Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed an all-day cook and clean with me. I cleaned up the kitchen, wiped the floor, and then cooked dinner, and then cleaned up again. That was pretty much my entire day. But I'm really excited to finally be filming again. I've had a lot going on and I'm hoping that I can get back on my usual filming schedule. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I would love it if you stuck around and clicked that subscribe button and became a part of my YouTube family. Also, let me know by clicking the like button if you like these kinds of videos and if you enjoy watching cooking and cleaning with me videos. I don't mind filming them. They're actually kind of fun, so give me some feedback and let me know if you like this style of filming. Alright guys, let's get to cleaning.
Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good.
Now that the kitchen is clean, I'm going to start finishing up dinner. I did make earlier in the day a tomato, green bean, and beef stew. If you'd like to know that recipe, then leave me a comment in the section below and I'd be happy to show you how to make that. In this other pot right here where the butter is, I'm going to be making rice to go along with this. In the slow cooker, I have some meatballs with barbecue sauce going in there. Those have been cooking for the past couple of hours. My kids are having some friends over to spend the night and I wasn't sure if they would like the stew that I am making, so I thought I would make that on the side just in case.
Dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long we're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is.
I'm going to be making also a tomato and cucumber salad to go along with my dinner. As a dressing, all I use is balsamic vinegar, some extra virgin olive oil, and some salt.
All I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight. Hey, Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the.
And now that dinner is over, I'm going to be cleaning everything up. You can see there are a lot of dishes. I really made a mess this time when cooking. I used a lot of different pots, and that was a big mistake. I should have just tried to cook down as much as I could. But I am going to clean this entire mess up, and then I'm going to be folding a load of laundry, and that's it for the night.
So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again, baby.
And now that the kitchen is all clean, I'm going to be folding this load of laundry. I'm going to put on a Hallmark movie. I love this channel when I want to sit back and relax a little bit. Leave me a comment below and let me know what movies you like to watch when you want to relax. I would love to get some new ideas. So anyways, again, thank you for watching. And if you're new, I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you will choose to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great Christmas weekend. Bye.